Home improvement, concepts for improving your home. When your devices fail or become outdated in the kitchen, you might be thinking that it's time to beautify that kitchen area with new cabinetry and some brand new countertops and floor covering. There are many kinds of home enhancement tasks people attempt to do for lots of factors. Before you pull out that measuring tape, though, takes a few minutes to read these pointers. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know anytime we release a new video. And also, let us know what you think about the products. Suggestions and comments are welcome in the comment section below. Not every house enhancement project has to be a significant overhaul or a significant expenditure. There are several quick and easy updates you can make at a sensible expense to include value and appeal to your house. Paint your walls, your cabinets, your trim, or your doors. You can even paint your range or floor tiles with specialized paint designed for that function. Produce space with cabinets. Structured brand new cabinets in your home is a basic home improvement project that has multiple uses. Not just are handcrafted cabinets beneficial space makers, they can likewise be magnificently stained to match any home's decoration. Adding your own distinct perspective can give your home an individual touch without hurting any value it might have. If one has a wooden deck, gazebo, railing, or any other wood structure, such as a play area set, putting a wood surface on it can be an excellent weekend project. It will seal the wood from the components and increase the life expectancy of the structure. The completed product will last a lot longer than the time it is required to accomplish. Never disregard an electrical system upgrade when you are making house enhancements preparatory to offering your home. Installing a totally up-to-date electrical service will make your house stand out to prospective purchasers. Avoid mold in your house by properly ventilating your kitchen and bathrooms. Vent fans pull moisture up and out of the space, lowering the wetness that mold and mildew need to thrive. You will be rewarded with a healthier home and a shower that might be less susceptible to unsightly mildew stains. Solar panels are a fantastic method to reduce your energy expenses. By positioning panels strategically on your roof, you can turn the power of the sun into a routine source of complementary energy. If you produce more power than you require, your local electric business will buy the excess energy from you. You require to be informed with anything you try to achieve in life, and this certainly holds for house improvement. The last thing you need to do is to mess something up in your home. Focus on what you found out in this video and utilize these suggestions for your next improvement job. There are numerous types of home enhancement jobs people attempt to do for many reasons. Not every house improvement job has to be a major overhaul or a significant expense. There are several fast and simple updates you can make at an affordable cost to include worth and appeal to your house. Building brand new cabinets in your house is an easy house enhancement task that has several uses. Never neglect an electrical system upgrade when you are making house improvements preparatory to selling your house. You need to be notified of anything you attempt to accomplish in life, and this certainly holds real for house enhancement. Click on the link in the description below for exquisite suggestions.